Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. In this video, we explore how AI-generated comic books are made, what works well, and the challenges creators face to keep their comics readable and credible. A comic can start as a sketch on a napkin, but now it might start as a prompt. AI-generated comic books are comics where AI helps create the art, the story, the lettering, or all of it. Some creators use AI only for quick ideas or background textures. Others build full pages from AI outputs and then edit them by hand. This matters because the promise is real: faster pages, lower costs, and fewer bottlenecks for indie creators. The worry is real too: copyright headaches, same why, visuals, and readers asking, who actually made this? This video is for writers, artists, small publishers, and curious fans. You'll learn what counts as AI in comics, what AI does well and doesn't, how to make pages people enjoy reading, and how to handle credit and trust in this video. What counts as an AI-generated comic book, and why it matters now? AI comic can mean a lot of things. At one end, a human team writes, draws, and letters the whole book, and AI only helps brainstorm names or fix spelling. At the other end, a creator uses generative AI to produce panel art, adds dialogue, and ships a finished issue with minimal edits. Most projects land in the messy middle. Here are common ways AI shows up in comics today. Story support. Generating plot options, punch-up lines, log lines, or alt endings. Art support. Producing rough thumbnails, prop ideas, background plates, or lighting references. Production support. Suggesting color palettes, cleaning scans, upscaling, or filling flat colors. Text support. Draft lettering, speech balloon wording, and proofreading. The why now is simple. Readers want frequent releases, creators are stretched thin, and costs add up fast. AI can reduce the time between concept and page, which helps webcomics and small print runs survive. But every choice has a trade-off. Heavy AI use can save hours, yet it can also create stiff acting, confusing action, and style that feels borrowed. It can raise hard questions about training data and ownership. The big takeaway: AI can help, but the way you use it changes quality and ethics, and readers notice. AI help at each step: idea, script, art, colors, lettering, and editing. A comic pipeline is a chain, and AI can touch any link. Used well, it's like an assistant who never sleeps. Used poorly, it's like a noisy coworker who won't stop talking. Idea. Generate plot beats or what-if twists. Caution: ideas can feel generic if you accept the first output. Script. Polish dialogue, tighten captions, or suggest scene order. Caution: voices can turn flat and characters may sound alike. Art. Thumbnails. Get quick panel layout options. Caution: layouts may ignore page flow and break left to right reading. Art. Final panels. Create backgrounds or props. Caution: anatomy and perspective can wobble, and faces can drift panel to panel. Colors. Suggest palettes and lighting moods. Caution: color can fight the tone, a horror scene that looks cheerful. Lettering. Propose balloon text and font pairings. Caution: text can crowd art or miss natural emphasis. Editing. Catch typos and continuity notes. Caution: AI may fix intentional slang or change meaning. What AI is good at, and where it still struggles in comics. AI is strong at speed and variation. It can spit out 10 costume ideas in minutes, or offer multiple compositions for a splash panel. With clear inputs, it can also help keep a character roughly consistent, especially if you feed it references and strict notes. We've covered the basics of AI in story, art, colors, lettering, and editing. Stay tuned for Part 2 to dive deeper into best practices, copyright, and maintaining trust with readers. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.